Hey guys, just thought I'd give you a quick update on Presearch. Presearch is the search engine that pays you in crypto. Now it's a pre-search engine, so effectively you're still using Google and Bing and YouTube and any other search engine on the web. But each time you do a search, you get paid 0.25 pre-tokens, which can be converted into money. So for instance, if we just have a look at Bitcoin price, we can see that it's actually had a little bit of a rebound, which is kind of nice. I wouldn't say it's going full throttle, but that's quite a rebound. So we go back to Presearch and we see that our tokens have increased by 0.25 of a pre-token. So one of the other benefits of Presearch is that they have a pretty good referral program. Now, as you can see, I've got 7,600 credits not eligible because people haven't earned 100 search reward tokens and have been active for 60 days. So if that's one of you guys, thanks for clicking on the link. I really appreciate it. Now, if you could just do a few more searches, that would be nice. Because what I want to do is show you guys the payment proof. Now, I can only do that when I've reached the payment threshold, which is still 1,000 pre-tokens. So hopefully by the time I can actually cash it out, the pre-price has gone back up. So I'm just going to go ahead and claim these 125 credits right now. And we go back to the referral page. So now we can see that I have 286 pre-tokens, which is kind of nice. So go ahead and get the Presearch app, or use Presearch on your desktop anytime you want to do an online search. I'll put a link to another video showing you exactly how to use Presearch. And I'll put a Presearch sign up link down below. So if you haven't joined, now's the time because it is a beta program. I'm pretty sure they're going to stop this at some stage because they can't just keep giving away tokens forever. So get on board soon. Anyway guys, that was just a quick update letting you know about Presearch. Once I reach 1,000 credits, I will activate a payout and then I'll give you guys an update on a payout confirmation. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and until next time, it's bye for now.